Baby, yes, so my beautiful people, welcome back to Samizi Infotainment, another platform where we dey share Ogmonge news the way we take share and it has been a very long time, not be small. I don't get so many calls, so many messages asking me say wetin dey happen to our news channel, but we don't come back. It was just a matter of chance and technical issues I had. I say I'm sorry and I'm trying to get back to the line as soon as possible. Today we get some kind of information to share, I get some kind of things to let you know. I need your opinion for this matter and I need you to share it in the comment section below. And don't forget to help me to subscribe. If you never subscribe, just tap that red button where did that corner there. You tap the bell icon where did the corner there, so that anytime I put new video you'll get her. I beg, one thing will be free for inside this channel now to share. You all help me share them, I beg, and as you do so, God bless you in Jesus' name. So my brother, my sister, let's get straight to the reason why we are here. Aujourd'hui, on y va. So, okay, as you don't know, France is going back to lockdown for the second time because the second wave, it don't wave us. We're not strong reach to till we stand this kind of wave. And some people are really angry about this lockdown of a thing. Some people say they don't see the result of the corona. Some people say results day. Some people say they never see person. We see person with the virus cash. So see the virus self in even day in existence. But people they wait they cry for corner where be say probably they tell say okay, not let anybody know so that they don't use that fusion eye tell look you. So that they don't use that kind of eye say okay na corona na kill your sister, na corona na kill your brother. I mean they not go to use that they look you in form of discrimination. Probably now waiting na be the cocoa because person way a brother or a sister they mad. Some of them know they proud to talk and say okay now my sister now you they chop shit they go for street, so now my brother they shop street shit they go for street. So I believe say that one be the mindset where they don't tell some people say okay, even if na corona na kill any of a family member, may not disclose them for our own discretion purpose or for his own discretion purpose. So for this lockdown we dey enter, so based on our president don't come to address us yesterday, and one thing why I dey very happy about for this country France where we dey, as the president don't talk yesterday, as they read this thing, I go show on the video for the screen as you the show, so the video and I the play, so but now go listen to some of waiting he talk. I will play am as time goes on. Just want to let you know the hints where you bring come out and want me they inform about all these things. So may I not add or subtract from this matter. I make I carry my book, so my jotter as I don't jot the important part where you're supposed to know. Say France is going back to lockdown, but schools go they open. Schools from kindergarten where they call crash for the country go reach SST where they call lycée. You understand? They go school, but university they will continue online classes based on all those ones their brain don't develop. Based on the love we get for children, and you know say this to stop children from school, it go affect children based on, I believe it get reports from principals or teachers of different schools that children drop for their academic excellence based on the first lockdown. So they don't want to make children pass through those kind of stress again. So I make they say schools will they open. So during this lockdown, so you feel they carry your children go school, you feel go they carry your children come back. And with that, waka where you want waka as the parent, you need certificate of where go attest say okay, see the reason why you come out for inside at first. You want to go drop a picking for school. In case probably within that short distance where you take they carry your children go school, so maybe say you see control or maybe police control or any officer, any official control you for road, say okay, why you this street by this time, they go understand though say you take your children go school. But this lockdown, so it sound like the first one, but now just few difference there for this school aspect and those way they go work. Even that during the first one, some people they go work, but not be all type of work. But this one no be still all type of work based on they close some kind small businesses like restaurants, all those cafe bars, all those bars, all those stuff like that. Sure you understand. But this one, this time you fit go work, even build ourselves, they'll still go work based on they'll get their attestation, the paper to waka to go any place where they want to go for their working place. And you fit still go out like the first one, go do your basic fitness out road. Some people they jog, some people they go the jogging to keep fit, stuff like that. You fit go pharmacy, go buy stuff. You fit go even your doctor house, go do checkup. So you fit do all those medical stuff, go supermarket, go buy food. Now I know say even some supermarket sef they don empty based on people just still rush go go shatter everything. At the tail end, everything wey you need is still there during the lockdown, go still there because they no close border now. Wetin I still take like this lockdown, borders no dey close. You fit travel into any Schengen country, you fit go any Schengen country, but they say internationally people fit still come in, but people wey dey come in, before they let them enter the street of or the homes of France, so they often need to test and say they no carry ororo come. Sure you understand? Wahala don dey, but this one wey enter, this world wey coronavirus don carry everybody enter, so everybody now is a suspect. Everybody don't even say we don't tire for mask. Now another one don't come. And they say people where this thing they affect the most. Now people will get diabetes, people will get low health deficiency, people will get all those kind people will don't old, we get diabetes, we get I don't know as I want to talk when I supposed to understand people with their health level way not strong. Now make you know the cash Africa based on una the chop pepper well. Una the chop pepper, una the strong. Even those who are born for here, who are born for Europe side. When I give them pepper, they lick pepper, so that their blood go, it go right away. So this lockdown, as President don't talk, say they want you to take control the number of daily rise of this coronavirus, because they just say they record about 40,000. Say if it keep increasing like this, say they're not going to even get ICU rooms to contain patients. So we need to drop this like 40 to 50,000 coronavirus positive test. We need to drop them down up to like 5,000 per day, so that we'll feel contain and we'll feel control. And based on the way the Oga First talk for last speech we gave during the last lockdown, he say even if second wave come, say we ready to chest. Now second wave, don't wave everybody come on for their feet. We don't forget so many things based on things they happen. And they really talk, say this year 2020, my brother, this year rugged. See my brother we talk about it. He say nah, this year go rugged, and truly this year don't rugged from the beginning, can't reach now. Sure you understand. So this lockdown we declare it go last up to December 1st. So to take control the rise of this lockdown, we'll take bring them down. Me the guy calm down. But waiting some things with some of us that they talk during this lockdown or during this process of this thing. Say normally if they change weather before for Europe, if weather change, say based on weather change, so people will get all those kinds, small flu, small malaria, can they get catarrh, stuff like that. Now if you get catarrh, my guy, you yourself, you suspect yourself, you God, this was not your change for a while, just like that. God, we will give us this fresh air to even breathe, to even cough, to even get catarrh. You yourself, you already suspect yourself for no reason. You already suspect yourself. I don't catch. But still we'll respect what they talk. But for your heart, if you know say you know if you catch up, that's how it go be for you. In Jesus' name. So we will still need to keep a barrier distance. Even for this thing to share, they suppose do and say, Bob, that metro or transport system will increase them. If bus they call like 10 minutes before, maybe before 4 or 3 minutes, so that people not to the overcrowd. This one are way to still control. But if we do like that, it will affect their transport economy also, because they'll need to put many buses for street. But to respect this barrier of a thing, can they wear mask every time? I know say the mask, I don't they master everybody. Sometimes I they forget I'll put on to sleep. based on you don't master me. No be say we get we say our asshole. But why you think they wear up at that? You think you did they are not your feeler. Because even for our ass not to waka safe, you need to wear am to take waka for his ass again. Because people wey they when they use one eye they look you say I believe this guy wan share am, I believe this guy wan share am, whereas the guy no get. So we say we need to, even in our homes, we need to respect all this measure. Wearing of mask is still very important. Washing of your hand, and that one good too. Normally for your health, with or without corona. If you go outside, you come back from outside, you need to wash your hand to keep yourself protected from this thing. And if you don't want to protect yourself, I bet protect your family, protect your children, protect those with there around you by respecting this order. Sure, you understand? So no traveling out of your cities. It still be like that kind of first one. I would say you know if you travel reach 100 kilometers, but there are small cities where near your cities where you still enter, but it go be on a good reason. Probably you get what you want to go do, or you get appointment where they go, you want to go check letter for the check letter in day far, or you get important appointment where you want to go, but to avoid story that touches the heart. Sure, you understand? So we have to respect the law of the land. At least we still see person where they still they mellow they talk to us than person where they do us back. We'll reach that aspect just now. Just counter. So no external visitor based on if there is external visitors where they I don't touch that aspect where they come from outside the country or outside Europe. Outside Europe, maybe from Africa, and those America, anywhere, those outside the Schengen nations, the Schengen countries. So those visitors where they come, if they go even accept them to come in, probably they'll quarantine them for 40 days, do proper checking, testing. They'll test them whether they get the coro. If they don't get the coro, they'll let them come inside. And then some of us still they talk now, so now still they look me just like that. Just go and get a bucket of popcorn and be flexing yourself while I'm talking to you. So as I don't talk before, sign documents go day for you to go outside. Even if you want to go buy those, you want to go buy something for supermarket, or you want to go buy food stuff for shops. So you need that paper to take waka. If you don't get that paper and they can't use mistake control you, and get you will have a fine to pay to the government. And if you not pay that fine not be boss and fine. You pay them, you don't get the paper. So to avoid all those things, if you know say you don't get that paper to work and you don't get the way you want to get them, just contact your social. It go tell you how you take get them, or you go bring a call for you by yourself. Or you feel go forum. You feel go forum refugee, they'll still give you this paper to waka and do it to match and write for you to waka. Sure you understand? So for those old people we get people old mama, grandmama for care homes, all those for care homes, you still go to visit them as well. But if you reach there, you get some kind of measures where you need to follow, you get some kind of procedure where you need to follow. You know, so to go like that because na saying and then for that side they die pass. So before they die, probably don't need people to visit them. Will not pray make they die. But if you people will still they go care homes, you still be careful. So that you know carry and come inside town. Because we with this at town. We with this house. We want to go inside town. That's what the matter be. So France got the record so many thousand coronavirus. So many. Some they say some they get they test positive, but they know they develop the symptoms. So that one they'll feel quick carry and follow. So if you know say you never do test, you'll feel go do test so that you know where you stand. Then you don't go enter lockdown, you get coronavirus. But it's that now I get the way I don't say we don't get out, even you they watch me, I don't say you don't get them, but they say some they get them, but test positive to them. But they know they get that symptoms. They still they perceive something. They know they get fever. They know they get low system. They know they feel tired. They know they feel sweat. But they get them. So you have to know where you belong, my brothers and my sisters in the Lord. So you should stay in your place as much as possible. For now, we don't get where they go. If you know, say you don't get where they go. Yeah, for inside this period, I beg, just stay your place, just obey this simple instruction. And I want to use this medium to pass on to as many of our people, any Afrikaners, where did this country, France. For this period, where they ought to declare lockdown. So you know, see, don't tire to pay us rent. Just start to the call 115 now, because for last lockdown, some people use and get lock. So call 115, say you don't get where you go now, street you they say lockdown now don't come, everybody enter us, but you don't get where you want to enter. And moreover, code day, you they call them. Probably God will use this coronavirus lockdown to help you. This one an important thing. So this important aspect, so I'll still cut and art come over inside this video, and we'll go. I want me you share them so that it will go viral, so that people will not get us really. They will get us this period, because this period for last lockdown it helped so many people. Trust me, it helped so many people, and I still talking for my platform then during the lockdown. Probably not to go, not to circulate, and some people still they cry up till now say they don't get us. Some people say even their duro money come and ask them they pay to survive the no problem. But for this period, so go just start from today, start to they call 115. I'll put on, I'll even write now they display for screen. So I need you to call the number as much every even if everyone 1 hour you they call, they give them your name, that they register and say they know say you serious. And even if they tell you say where they want carry go, say the place not they conducive, not they okay. No be say you your bagger for the HK like that. No be say you your run, say okay, you don't need for any good. You endure. Endurance leads to what? To endurance. English now speak for it. Endurance leads to what? Endurance. So some people they use that one to scare their common say where they want carry they go, you know they okay. And if you tell them say okay, even if so far you see where you pull your head, they'll not say okay, you serious. They'll feel carry go for a good. They'll feel carry go for a no good, just to test you for 1 week or 2 weeks before they'll carry go better place. Now so their trick be. So you have to endure to enjoy. Endurance leads to what? Endurance. So one thing we don't learn today, one of my parable, I mean that one. Okay, going to the next one. And they don't look at economically why this matter say okay, you still go work. Because during the last lockdown, my guy, if you see France GDP, the way it is less, it enter minus over 6.6%, it pass safe 6.6. So they still struggle with economy to make sure say they meet up with different targets. That make this man, see president, this one a human being. You are a human being, Mr. Man. You dey try. For you to even get out for man, say okay, make people see they go work so that to affect economy like that. Now that one are first of all and wisdom. Even some French people now. So even without be French and you get people for this country, so they complain. See the way you talk. And we will see God. We will get it take our almost more than 2 weeks to talk to us. And when he talk finish, everybody was speechless. Everybody they look for speech. All of us were speechless. See the way you arrange this matter. Even people now for the protection of the country anyway, for the protection of your citizen. Nah, this one be so. But our own I know my beer. My guy, they don't even care whether that person die, whether that person not die. That's a story that was so now make it say many people see they go work, but not be all works like all those small businesses where they still they struggle to grow. You don't say okay, you go assist them with 10,000 euro every month just to meet up space and to pay their maybe workers where they work follow them or those kind of stuff. You feel they pay your workers during this lockdown. You feel pay their salary even if they don't work. So kudos to Mr. President for that. And coming to the aspect of this speech we make yesterday, some people say you're offended, some people say you're not supposed to talk like that, say you're not supposed, all those kind of matter, me no can understand. First, the doctor wanna say he want to protect his citizen, and we are not happy. We get, we be say you know get, we now we get, but we not get, because different matters now they arise from different platforms say our own e don kpef, but you wey dey watch me, so if you know say our own don't really kpef, please still drop am for comment section and your evidence, so that people will still take know say okay, see the reason why you agree with the stuff. Say this man Mr. Boo 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 say e don kpef. See you will say you dey almost 77 years old. Wetin be 77 sef? How many years e dey? If you know how many years e dey, write am for comment section. You young pass me. Why? Because you are a rubber man. You are this man is a rubber man. This man, you know what old? He's a rubber man. I still believe. I try to believe that this man wey una dey see so na rubber man. I take be rubber man, because basically they old, they see the see and he go still get some kind of strength for you. Some say he go do surgery, may not quick old. Some say na money, na enjoyment, na they make am fresh. How you fresh? You know if get money for president, you first get money, I do you not forget. You get. Why you not come fresh? Now when you dey old, they go, your age they increase. Now your youngness can they come out. May God help us. And one thing wey I want make una understand for this video, I want show una, so I just show una, just let you for waiting the man they talk. Maybe I fit show una like theory. So first of all, I want me to watch the video first. Oh yeah, bien voir.
Of test, alert, protect. To do that, we will bring rolling out more testing platforms by reorganizing the structures that are already in place so that we can have more widespread testing, so that it is going to be one of the keys of how we can move on from this crisis. Because the more we test, the better we can trace patients, which means that we can take more informed decisions in the future. Because once the peak of this crisis has moved on, we will be able to take stock of the situation. We were all taken aback, taken by surprise, by the pace at which this virus has spread. And I know that it may be tiresome and that it may be breaking your heart, but these difficult times call on us to all show our resilience and our solidarity. But I think this shows exactly what we are. We are all men and women who are bound to each other. Very few
Shebi, you see the way President he talk. He talk like he just know everything. Not be say like he know what he's supposed to talk. He dey follow up every situation from every corners of the country. They follow up. You know what he want talk. Now make it talk boldly like that. Why I talk this one? You know be like our own. We go your put years go start book with the write for him. We go take like 2 weeks to cram each word for everything. He even make speech that they forget the most horrible part of it. He forget them. He forget to talk them. Huh?
This opportunity to say a word on the recent genuine concerns and agitations by Nigerians about the excessive use of force and in some cases extrajudicial killings and wrongful conduct by men of the Nigerian police force. The disbanding of SARS is only the first step in our commitment to extensive police reform in order to ensure that the primary duty of the police and other law enforcement agencies remains the protection of lives and livelihoods of our people. We will also ensure that all those responsible for misconduct or wrongful acts are brought to justice.
See, President, these are vibrant. This one is very vibrant. And I make with the thought say, okay, come 2023, as far as say we not feel remove you now, come off for chair. Come 2023, I beg all the youth for Nigeria, may the soul of those who don't die, may they don't haunt us for future. May we beg, may we just use our PVC wisely. And I get one video where I still watch where this our actor, our funny actor, we find this man. We find, don't forget.
Now, as Sabi say,
he say you some, he say
the youth
are the problem of youth.
Now the problem of
because
the youth.
now still some of our youth we don't get brain, we just see like 5,000 naira today. You office say another 5,000 naira want to blow. You see 100,000, you see 500,000. You office say another one and go change your life forever. For those youth where they collect money from politicians, where they destroy the following youth. Now God now go judge now. Now the soul of those who die for like now go haunt you now. Because in all good way, say you don't go collect money, you consider the key of fellow youth. We say all of us will fight for one cause for the betterment of our country. Now with the fight, but you now you will go our back, you will collect money for politicians, come the key us. Now the soul of those who don't die, now go haunt you till you die. Now that one I be the message. That's what I get for you. Not because when I prayer now you pray for you. Because now prayer, the same person where they pray for, you not still come from war. You talk of say the one with the swear for. I not swear for you now. Prayer now I pray for you. So my people, for those we don't die, we say may their soul rest in perfect.